Hi everyone, Krishna this side, and I welcome you all to this channel. So today I have taken entry in Nifty. Although my trail ASL got hit, but I just really wanted to explain the logic why I have chosen to go upside rather than downside. Even though we have seen that this support has been broken down and all, still I took my entry in positive side. So I just wanted to explain the logic. Although the profit was very less, whatever the target that I planned, I couldn't achieve that. But anyway, the logic needs to be explained. So see, in one daily time frame, right? So we can see that this support, the area, this at this. Let me draw the area. Okay, so this area we see, right? So it got broken down. So majority of people will think that okay, the market will now go down, it has to fall, it has to give a big fall and all. But if that is how the market going to be so simple, then everyone could make money easily, right? So for most of the big players, this is a good chance to take advantages that most will make their position downside. So they'll definitely make their SLs upside, and whatever the SLs people keep at upside, they will target for that SLs. So that was a pretty much simple logic to go upside, looking into daily time frame itself. And if we look into the 1 minute time frame, right? So where should be our exact entry, right? So that is another question. So okay, we got that. Okay, most of the people once even in the 1 minute time frame, right? So we see that this has been broken down. So most of the people will think that okay, market will move downside, so they will keep on building the position, and they think that okay, definitely today it will going to be a big crash and all, and they keep on building their positions. So their SS they would have kept above this area and all. So that was my basically target. So that once this area also whatever this area we see here, right? So once it reaches till here, I'll be squaring off my position. But unfortunately, I don't know like why I did that, but I suddenly trailed my SL, and it got hit, and then it started moving upside. So I shouldn't have done that. But anyway, I didn't plan to take the trade, but I saw that this is really a good opportunity to have this in this setup also. I should have a trade, so have taken the entry. So let us understand where the entry point should be. So if we take fib and draw from top to from this bottom to top, right? So we can see that 1.6 minute area. This is another good area where most of the big players reverse the position. The market will move in the reverse direction once it reaches to this area. So they book their target. So if any big players have been made entry at this point, they will square off their position, and again start make reverse they reverse the market. So that was the pretty much simple idea here. So looking in this scenario only, had made my entry at I think in this candle itself I had made my entry. And then market has given some good points in my favor, but suddenly I thought of trailing my SL down here, and it unfortunately got hit, and then market keep on moving upside. I thought of quickly make another position at that moment itself, but again I don't want to really do over trading and all. So I don't want to play fight with the market. So I decided to let it go wherever it want, and I will square off my position. So now we see here, right, the big spikes and all. Most of people have kept their SS at this place, and they tried to move the market downside, but now their SS also got hit. So that's how market actually behaves. Let us see where my entry was. So I had entry at 289, which is around 924. At this time I have taken my entry, and in 5 minutes, wherever the SLs I trailed, that got hit. We see here, right, the target, that means the SLs that got hit, and then market moved, kept on flying in the upward direction. So that's how the trade has gone. I don't want to show whatever the profit I got, but yeah, the main point is I wanted to explain this logic, so that's why I made the video. Otherwise, we would have captured good points here, around 100 or 120 points. It was easily achievable, but yeah, that was a small blunder that I had done today, and we were able to just capture few points, and we are done from this trade. Okay, so that's all about this trade, and I hope you got some learning, and you would not even going to make any looking in the support breaks and all. You try to avoid the positions, and try to analyze the market in these type of situations. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.